going to light. I made this cute candle stand. Let's light it up just to see what it looks like.
Ooh,
Okay.
she thinks she's fancy.
Here's
Look
the
at
rest of the
that.
setup. This is the sweet hot chocolate setup and s'mores setup. We have marshmallows over here. Cute little flowers.
Bam, bam,
Oh,
bam.
she's got a fancy camera, eh? She's got-
There we go. Let's put the coal on top.
I think you just turned it off.
No. It's gonna heat up with coal.
Show us your skills. Ooh, flames.
I don't know why this one's not lighting up. The wood is on fire.
Yes, I told you it's the best
I'd
chocolate.
give it a 9 out of 10.
Yay! If I had better quality
You know why I'm
chocolate,
not giving you 10 out of 10?
why?
Because there's no such thing as perfection.
Okay,
Laugh. That's
lies,
your joke.
lies. I'm perfection. You're too close. That's
So I
why.
got these instead.
Okay.
I was gonna get the ones that have chocolate in between, so it's like a double layer.
Yes,
But that's
man.
too extra. We're not about that extra life.
There's some stars and clouds in the
Anyways,
sky.
as I was saying,
Beautiful.
can you turn on the flash? Okay, she's turned on the flash. So this is what it's gonna look like, guys. Here, you got your nice melted chocolate. Well, not fully melted. You don't want it, going down your.
Bit of chocolate, like this.
Yeah, like that.
I'm gonna melt them together.
You should roast the marshmallow first before the chocolate, because otherwise you're gonna risk it falling into the fire.
It's okay. I'm just gonna shove it in the thingy now. I guess this is molten enough. Okay, give me 2 biscuits. Where's the biscuits? Oh, here they are.
There. Put down your store inside the fire. I mean, put it down like I did, like mine.
Okay,
Anyways.
I'm scared.
My s'mores.
I don't think it's
The hot
molten enough,
chocolate?
but I don't care. Okay.
Life is good.
It
Life
didn't
does
melt
not get
enough.
any better than this.
Okay, I'm just gonna. I did it so bad. My s'mores.
Dude, you should let me make you one. Let
Oh,
me grab
here
some
it
tissue.
worked.
Can you reach a tissue?
Okay, taste test. Wait, let me taste my. Mmm.